Hi guys, so before I share my results of the second test, I actually have two batteries here, 2 packs. I would actually like to show you the product I used. It's the Scotch fasteners. Alright, so extreme fasteners, right? Hold up to 10 pounds, and it says here gives you more information, but anyway, I tested it for about maybe 30-40 miles, and I hit the worst roads in New York City. I actually went Manhattan, I went over the bridge, Brooklyn, and look at the scratches. I hit, the worst cracks, and this straps actually work pretty well. So let me show you guys. So what you do, actually much better than the rubber. So yeah, that was just for testing. So you just put it over and you press it in, right? And once it's pressed, it doesn't go anywhere. It holds pretty good, and actually holds a low profile right here, you guys can see. And I can actually leave the board, and it's not coming out. You see, guys? So I like it. There are probably different brands like 3M or I don't know. I went to Home Depot. I actually bought this from Home Depot, and they have different brands, but I think this has the better reviews, feedbacks. I read on Amazon, and I paid about $15 in Home Depot, and it's about $25-30 on eBay, and about $18-19, between $18 and $25 on Amazon. So this is what I got. And when you want to remove it, you just angle it and you remove it like that. So actually, you have to like pry one end a little bit and then release it. And here it says that's good up to 1,000 closures. Let's focus the camera right here. Lasts up to 1,000 closures, which is pretty good. To connect the batteries, I just made a quick adapter here. So it's a parallel, and it sticks right here. Actually, let me flip the batteries correct way. So this goes into the batteries and then goes inside here to the connectors. The connector, so it works perfectly. And I'll have to find a harness or something to fix the tape issue. I don't know how to connect this wire. It's kind of long. Maybe I can cut it and shorten a little bit. But still, as you guys can see here, I mean, it doesn't go anywhere, and the motor is actually covered here, so it's not going to get into the spinning outrunner, the spinning body of the motor. But I'm still going to look for something to do it nicely, so I can maybe disconnect. So I have to find something that's going to work better than the tape here. So if you guys have any suggestions, or you know of any product that actually can work here, please let me know. So let's go over the stats quickly. I started Midtown area, 48th and 8th Avenue, and rode all the way west, and here by 11-12 Avenue, West Side Park. I rode all the way downtown, returned through Tribeca, then Soho area, all the way through Greenwich Village, up to 30th Street, I think 31st, 32nd, Herald Square Garden. Here I turned left. Oh, by the way, guys, by Macy's, that's the area where I recommend you to stop riding because of the low frequencies and the high power amplifiers. Actually, it's messing up your electronics, so you'll hear grinding noise. The board will just stop working, and when you press forward, the motors actually will spin different directions, and you'll hear a heavy grinding noise and vibration in your lower end part of the board. So what I recommend is to stop the board or just turn it off and kick it for like 3-4 blocks until you pass that area, and then you just turn on your board and it resets your electronics and the board will actually work properly. So there's nothing wrong with the board, it's just low frequencies in that area which are not good for electronics. Actually, some people experience a loss of connection with their cell phones, so that's is the reason why this is happening. So from here I turn left because of the heavy traffic and that issue I would just explain you about. Turn all the way left, went back to the west side, went up to west upper side, and then I calculated that I probably have 2-3 more miles left in my pack, so I decided to come back and return to the point where I started from. So went back to 48 and Broadway. Actually, I was close to probably 14.2 miles or 14.3, so I made another loop here, back to 10 Avenue or 11, not sure, and then return back, and I had 14.7. Let's actually look at the numbers here. 14.79 miles, and total time 1 hour 18 minutes. The speed is not accurate. The maximum we get is 20 because it was close to emptying the pack, probably 18-19 miles an hour. You can probably get 21-22 miles if you're going downhill, but on the flats you'll get 19, 20, 20.5 miles. That's what my board actually gets. So I'll show you guys in a second the voltage in the cell. Actually, the additional 2 packs were about 36 volts, and the boosted board pack had 35.5 or 35.6, close to 36 volts. So I could definitely squeeze another half a mile, probably even more than that, to reach 3.0 volts or 30 volts in the battery pack. Definitely I could have gotten 15 miles, and I was a little bit tired. My feet were pretty sore. Yeah, if you ride for over an hour, it doesn't feel comfortable. If you do breaks here and there, you can probably go for longer rides. But this is the test, guys. So if you have any other questions or any other suggestions, please comment below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.